Getting Temu credit for free is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. To start, let's open our Temu application. As we can see, there are currently 0 credits in my account. If we scroll down, there are many products available for purchase. On the main dashboard screen, my profile name and profile picture are displayed. We can find various options here such as your orders, your reviews, coupons and offers, credit balance, followed shops, browsing history, address, and earn credits and free gifts, among others. At the bottom, there are several options like home, categories, you, and cart. By clicking on categories, we can explore various options such as cell phones, menswear, laundries, office electronics, wireless chargers, and more. If we visit the cart section, we can see the products that we've added to our cart. Now, if I show you my credit balance again, it still shows 0. Here's where the main trick comes into play. Go to your home screen and open your browser. Search for ojinjic.vip, and you will find many featured apps on this website. Click on the Temu app, and a pop-up will appear. Click on Start Injection. Please be patient, as it will take some time. After a few seconds, the process will be completed, and you will receive your reward after completing a survey. This demonstrates how easy it is to obtain free credits.